In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Metamask wallet account. To get started, open Metamask on the device you normally use. This could be the Metamask browser extension in your web browser, or the Metamask mobile app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are opening the official Metamask app or extension so you can safely access your wallet. Once it launches, you should see the welcome or unlock screen. From there, click or tap the unlock button. This takes you to the screen where Metamask asks for your password. If your app or extension is already open but locked, the process is the same. You'll simply continue from the unlock screen. Next, enter the password you created for Metamask on that specific device. This is important because Metamask uses the password you set up locally to protect access to your wallet. As you type, take a moment to make sure there are no typing errors. If you're on a shared or public device, be extra careful that no one can see your screen while you enter your password. After entering your password, click or tap unlock again. Metamask will then open your wallet and take you to the main wallet interface. If the password is correct, you'll be logged in right away and ready to view your account. If it doesn't open, double check that the password was entered correctly, paying attention to capitalization and any saved keyboard settings. Once you're inside Metamask, select the account you want to use if you have more than one account connected. Many users keep multiple wallet accounts inside the same Metamask profile, so it's a good idea to confirm you're in the right one before making any transactions or connecting to any websites. Usually, you can switch accounts from the account menu near the top of the wallet interface. Finally, check your wallet details. Verify that the wallet address shown matches the account you intended to access, and review your cryptocurrency balances to make sure everything looks correct. This is a simple but useful habit, especially before sending funds, receiving tokens, or interacting with decentralized apps. And that's it. Opening Metamask, selecting Unlock, entering your password, unlocking the wallet, choosing the correct account, and checking your wallet details are all you need to log in successfully. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same process anytime you need to securely access your Metamask wallet.